Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Does the thought of reaching millions with your content excite you? Well, you're in the right place. This video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to grow your YouTube channel. First things first, know your audience. Understanding who your audience is and what they want to see is a crucial part of growing your YouTube channel. Are they looking for tutorials, reviews, comedy skits? Once you have a clear idea of what your audience is interested in, you can start to tailor your content to their needs. Next, consistency is key. You don't need to upload a video every single day, but you do need to have a regular posting schedule. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or once a month, stick to it. Your viewers will come to expect new content from you at these times, and they'll be more likely to tune in if they know when to expect it. Remember, quality beats quantity every time. It's better to have one high-quality video a week than 7 mediocre ones. Invest in good equipment, take the time to edit your videos properly, and always strive to improve your content. Now let's move on to SEO. Search engine optimization is not just for websites, it's also for YouTube videos. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos show up in search results. This will increase your visibility and help you reach a wider audience. Engagement is also crucial. Encourage your viewers to interact with your videos by leaving comments, liking, and sharing. Not only does this boost your video's visibility, but it also helps you build a community around your channel. Respond to comments, ask your viewers for feedback, and show them that you value their input. Finally, don't forget to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and take every opportunity to get your content in front of new people. Growing a YouTube channel takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with these tips, you're well on your way to building a successful YouTube channel. Before we wrap up this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start growing your YouTube channel. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing.